Check 1 2 1 2. In this video I'm going to show you how to recreate the bass line from the track Body Language by Booka Shade and M.A.N.D.Y. The track was released back in 2005 or 2006 I think, and it's been sampled a couple of times to be honest. So for this sound I'm going to use the TAL Bassline 1.1, which emulates the legendary Roland SH-101, which was released back in 1982. Okay, so let's dive in. So the MIDI sounds like this. Pretty shitty sound, but that's okay. The notes that they used are B2, B3, F#4, D3, E3, E4, G4, F#3, F#4, A4, and A3. Okay, so let's dive into the settings now. I'm gonna start with the sub oscillator. I'm gonna turn it down. I'm gonna put the range on 16, no modulation. The pulse volume around 7.56. Yep. The frequency filter cutoff is going to be around 4.11. Very good. No resonance. I'm gonna turn on the volume compensation for this. The envelope filter is going to be around 3.33. Okay, and the keyboard is going to be around 6.16. Something like that. No modulation. And on the VCA, I'm gonna, instead of the gate, I'm gonna use the envelope. The attack all the way down, so super fast attack. The decay around 2.56. No sustain, and the release around 2.01. That's it. Okay, so now let's listen to the sound. Pretty close, I would say. You can find the sound also on my free preset pack, which I'll drop the link down below. As you can see here, it consists of 50 presets. And yeah, if you like the demonstration, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want me to do more tutorials like this, drop a comment and let me know which sound from a track you want me to recreate, and I'll do my best. Bye.